Good morning, students. Welcome you all in the class of History Civics. And right now we are continuing the topic, the partition of Bengal. So in this regard, I told you about the anti-partition movement in the previous lecture, and today I am going to discuss with you about the government repressive measures, as well as we will know about the impact of this anti-partition movement, or we can say the impact of Swadeshi and boycott movement. Okay, so first of all, let us know about the government repressive measures. Okay, so in order to meet the situation which just arose out of this Swadeshi boycott movement, the government adopted some of the repressive measures to crush the Swadeshi and boycott movement. In order to crush the anti-partition movement, government adopted some repressive measures. For example, in the year 1908, the government passed the Explosive Substances Act, okay, and the Criminal Law Amendment Act, okay, and the Newspapers Act, okay. Then it also started beating up of the Swadeshi volunteers mercilessly. Swadeshi volunteers, those who were just trying to persuade the pupil to purchase the Swadeshi items, okay, so they were beaten mercilessly, and it put a ban on the raising of the slogan like Bande Mataram in the streets of Bengal. Means raising of the slogan like Bande Mataram was banned totally in the streets of Bengal. Okay, and Swadeshi, but on the other hand, Swadeshi and boycott movement had a tremendous impact. Okay, so now let us know about this impact. So what impact, what influence was observed of this anti-partition movement? So first, this movement provided a great impetus to both the cottage as well as the large-scale Indian industries, because the demand for Swadeshi goods was increasing day by day. Okay, and the raw material now began to be used in Indian industries in the country itself. Earlier it was exported to Britain for their industries, but now the raw material of the country was used for the Indian industries, and it provided employment to many countrymen. Okay, and under the impact of Swadeshi, the first Indian Industrial Conference was held at Banaras in the year 1905, and Rabindranath Tagore helped in setting up one Swadeshi store in Calcutta. Okay, even the Tata iron and steel industry, they also refused to just accept any grant from the British government. Swadeshi textile mills, soap and matchbox factories, leather and tanning industries, fabric, shoe, okay, and hosiery units were also set up. Scientist P.C. Ray set up the Bengal Chemical Factory. Okay, so this was the impact of the Swadeshi and boycott movement, which was started during the anti-partition movement. And as a result of the boycott, okay, which was directed against the British goods, particularly cloth, perfumes, okay, soaps, toys, chinaware, etc. So what happened? The import of these foreign products declined by 75% or more. Okay, and Swadeshi and boycott movement instilled the courage among the people. Now these movements provided the impetus to the nationalist sentiment, and it accelerated and strengthened the national movement, okay, and paved the way for the future mass movement which were led by Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, and the processions and meetings emerged as a new techniques of mass mobilization. Now this movement, okay, this anti-partition movement gave a great impetus to national education. It led to the formation of the National Council of Education, Tilak and Lala Lajpat Rai popularized the national education as an important aspect of Swadeshi in Bengal. Okay, national schools and colleges were established. Okay, and Arvindo Ghosh was the first principal of the college. Okay, so this was all about the impact of the Swadeshi and boycott movement, and the Swadeshi and boycott movement also prevailed in literary activities also, such as songs, poems, dramas, novels and short stories. Okay, Arvindo Ghosh, okay, he just kept up the national spirit through his bold writings. Poet Rabindranath Tagore wrote Amar Shonar Bangla, and Bankim Chand Chatterjee's Anand Mat popularized the Vande Mataram. Then the newspapers like Amrit Bazar Patrika, Kesari, Maratha, Yugantar, they also infused the new spirit of nationalism among the people. So this was all about the impact of this anti-partition movement. Okay, in the next video we will discuss some other factors, some other activities as which happened in the second phase of the Indian national movement. Till then, have a good day.